Here is a plastic. Here's a tip that give me some troubles. All right. So let me see if there's any screw that holding the plastic film. Next thing we had to remove this plastic film. Okay, let me see. There's just a little bit also creaks everywhere. First, remove this thing that holding the wires. We don't need that. Okay, you see this? Okay. All right. So make sure the wire comes out this way. Okay. Let's see. Can I just try to pull it? Can we pull it? No, I cannot pull it. I had to take out the plastic. Try to find a shortcut, but cannot. What I do is I don't want to leave my fingerprint on here, so I use a piece of towel, just like this. I think that's good enough. Okay. Oops. One click at a time. This one. Let me see on this side. Maybe I should. Okay, you see the click here? I want you to see it. The white one, you need to pull it on. There's 4, 2 on each side. Okay, so just stick a tweeter, pull it like this way. There we go. There we go. Okay, they're using it as a latch. There we go. So we can pull it back later. The first time I see the panel that have plastic latch on it. So okay, now it's complete. So I'm gonna get the other hand here. It's a little bit messy. Okay. So we're gonna take another side. Oh shit! There's one more latch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, so 5. This side have 3. Now you know I didn't practice it before I made this video. Okay, almost there. Just be patient. Okay, and this side. Alright, I just want to get just get this film out first. I don't want to damage it. It's a whole stick placed on the top of the LCD screen, a liquid glass. So now it's easier. Okay. What is holding this? Oh, I see here. You will not be able to see it. Okay. Right. Now we see the lamps. Okay. Here we go. All right. Let's remove the plexiglass. Okay, I just did. All right, here's a lamp. Wow, I want to show you. There's 2 screws. You see this? Holding the reflectors. So you need to take it out. Take it out. Take it out. I better do the markings. The wire come out from this side. This is the where the wires come out from this side. This side, okay. Set it aside. Let's take a look at our LED strips. LED strip should be mounted in the middle. Okay. As you can see, it's a little, tiny bit shorter than our LED strip, shorter than the original one. So what I do, I did it a lot for other customers, corporate customers. There's two LED strips. One is aligned with this end. The other end will align with this end. You see?